Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to enable lossless audio on Apple Music. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down the primary settings menu layout and tap directly on Apps. Scroll through the application list framework and tap directly on Music. Locate the subsection explicitly labeled Audio and tap directly on Audio Quality. Find the configuration row option explicitly labeled Lossless Audio. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Lossless Audio to turn it completely on. To define your specific network rules, tap on Mobile Data Streaming, Wi-Fi Streaming, or Downloads. Select Lossless for a high-quality 24-bit/48 kHz format, or choose High-Res Lossless to push the layout parameters all the way up to 24-bit/192 kHz. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.